Hi guys, I'm back with a new video and today I'm going to share with you all the skincare and hair care products which I've been buying since the past 1 month or something. So there was a super sale on Nykaa and I thought to stock up on some things and to buy some good stuff from Nykaa and also some stuff here and there which I've been buying for my skincare and hair care. So I'm going to share that with you, and if you like this place, please do like, share and subscribe, and now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered from Nykaa was because of this sole reason, because I wanted to purchase these products. So these three products, I bought them individually. Yes, so these are the three products which I ordered individually, but they were on a super sale, so they cost around 500 to 600 and I got them all under 250, and that's a super great deal because I love Wow skincare. If you've seen my previous video, I have shown you that I fell in love with the Wow's face wash, and that's why I ordered this one. I wanted to try their conditioner, shampoo and the uh, oil. So it's the black seed onion hair oil, and I know this is all trend going on about this onion oil and onion shampoos and everything. So I just wanted to give this whole range a try, and I've not tried it yet, so maybe after 1 or 2 months of trying, then I will let you know like whether these products really work or not. Now since I bought a lot of products from Wow, they gave me this free aloe vera gel to try out, and I'm a big fan of aloe vera gel and you are going to see it next, and so I am excited. I just love any kind of aloe vera gels, like they are very good for the skin and stuff. Okay, so the next thing was random. I was just searching for some face wash and face packs, and I came across this one, and I just ordered them. So these are the two products. This is very famous. I've seen it on a lot of beauty channels, saying this is a very good product. So I just ordered it. This is the Himalaya Neem Pack, and I'm yet to try this, but I'm so sure this is going to be a good product because Himalaya products are really very good. And the next one was this. This is the lactocalamine oil balance face wash. Looking for a face wash just for the regular use, and I came across this company. I used to use their moisturizer first, and that is also very good for my skin. I wanted to give this a try. So yeah, and this one also very affordable. This is like for 85 rupees or something, and it's very good. I've not tried it yet, but I'm hopeful that this will be good. Okay, the next few products are from Reliance Trends. I had just gone randomly shopping with my brother, and I was just looking around the makeup and the skincare section. So I just came across this one. I've never heard of this brand, but I started using it with the aloe vera gel, and I got like buy one get one free, and the both combo costed me like around 100, and I was just looking for aloe vera gel, so I thought why not pick it up. And the good thing is that this includes rose and cucumber also, and that's what attracted me, like aloe vera plus rose plus cucumber, like it's very good for the skin. And I was actually looking for the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I've been using that forever, but those were out of stock, and I just had to have aloe vera gel, so I just purchased this one, and it's turning out to be good. The smell is very good. It's not very strong, but it has the smell of rose and cucumber. Like it's very soothing. So I use it in the night. I just apply it all over my face at night, and it's good to go in the morning. It does leave a very soothing and very calm skin. So the next products are my holy grail from Reliance Trend. Like whenever I just go random shopping at Reliance Trends, I have to, not Reliance Trend, I think it's Reliance normal shopping, grocery store wala shopping, not the trend. Sorry if that was my mistake. So I always do buy this super nice and cute little bottles of nail polish. I have a thing for nail polish, so whenever I go to Reliance, I just have to pick this up, and these ones are just for like 25 rupees, and they are good quality. It's not like they chip away very easily. They easily last like on your nails for like 7 days a week, and that's super cute, and the colors are so very good. Like this does give me like color bar feel. You can see they are so cute. Now the next product is not for me but for my brother. He has a little bit of a dandruff kind of a scalp, and he has like a dandruff issues, and that's why when we were just in the shop we just picked this up randomly, the Parachute Men anti-dandruff with lemon and neem after shower hair cream. And when he used it, he instantly told me that, you know, I do feel a little bit of change in my dandruff. And I was like, that's good comment on this product, like after just one use. So I'm just going to let him use this for like 1 month straight, and then I will let you know whether this is a good product or not. Till then, and it's very cheap. This is also only for 90 bucks, and you get a good amount. Like after shave you just need a little bit, and yeah, it's a good product for now at least. So the last product is also my holy grail. You've seen it in so many videos, like I have talked about this a lot. I do shave my face, like my eyebrows and all those things, and I love this one, so I just had to stop them up. And they do come in a better packaging, but I just threw them away because they were taking up space. And yeah, they are very good. They cost you only like 99 rupees. So yeah, they are like 33 rupees each, and they do their job very nicely. So I would always recommend you this one. This is very good. Do purchase it, girl. It's very good. And with that, we do come to an end to this video. Do let me know which are your favorite products from this. Like, have you ever tried these products or not? And let me just give you a disclaimer that I'm not trying to be a beauty guru or something. This is just what an average Indian girl would purchase, and I'm just showing you that, like, these are some of the skincare and hair care things which I'm looking forward to try, and I'm really looking forward to this wow range. And also this one for my brother, like I want to see whether this is effective or not. So in any future video I will just give you a mini review if you are interested whether these products work or not. So this was the video, and I hope you like it, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe, and hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon. And till then, bye.